What's up, weirdos? We're going to have a little bit of a conversation right now about what's happening, why it's happening, because I don't think a lot of people truly understand, especially content creators, reading charts, not knowing anything about the macroeconomic situation, and calling for a bear market, right? This is why only the strong survive when it comes to creating content. You have to understand everything. You can't just talk for the sake of talking. All right, so let's get into it here, guys, real quick. First, let's have a look over at Jasmy, down 1% on the day, 13.8 on the week, 27 on the month, and 9.5 on the year. We're down one spot ranked to 80 and $879 million market cap, 62 million in volume. Swift Coin, down 4.5% on the day, 15.9 on the week, 37 on the month, but up 368% on the year. We're down 4 spots in rank to 290, a $136 million market cap, and 12 million in volume. Onyx Coin, down 4.7% on the day, 22.5 on the week, 59 on the month, but up 611 on the year. We're down 6 spots in rank to 132, $467 million market cap, 85 million in volume. And Zebek, where is our Zebek? Why am I not seeing it? Am I blind? Am I blind? I think I might be. Oh, there it is, right there. Down 3.5% on the day, 7 on the week, but up 50% on the month. We're down 10 spots in rank to 322, a $118 million market cap, 18 million in volume. All right, let's have a look. We just had our daily close about 6 minutes ago as of the time of recording. Bitcoin once again closed below 85, but look at that wick up. That's fantastic. You want us, that's very bullish. Very bullish. That's a lot of buying pressure bringing us back up. Will we continue downward? Yeah, probably. We'll probably see this candle come down more later today, tonight, whatever, right? Or who knows, maybe we'll break back up above 85K, which is that blue line, and we'll close above there tomorrow. But either way, right? Brand new candle. We'll have to follow it to see where it goes. So here's the thing, guys. Like I said, a lot of content creators out there calling for a bear market, blah, blah, blah. Now, do I think we potentially have more downside to go and then some consolidation? Yes, I do. I said that on the live stream earlier today. Some people didn't like hearing it. But listen, it's buying you an opportunity to buy more. I get asked all the time, am I late? Am I late to crypto, Rob? Am I late? Well, now you got your answer. The answer is no. You have an opportunity right in front of you. Are you too scared to take it? Are you going to squeal like a stuck pig, or are you going to get it done, right? Me personally, I am backing up the truck. I am dollar cost averaging. I think we could ping pong. We could see one more leg down, and then we could ping pong sideways for the next, 6 weeks or so. Very, very possible, right? The other scenario is we could break back up above 85K, potentially. But then we would probably ping pong between 85 and 91. So inside this range, right? We'd likely ping pong inside of there for the next 6 to 8 weeks, something like that, right? We'll see what happens. I'm not saying for sure it's going to happen. I know some people are going to freak out, but it is what it is, guys. Listen, there's a situation happening here that's more than just charts, more than just whether we should have a spring pump or not. That could be pushed back to the summer or something, right? And there's a reason for that, okay? Uncertainty is the reason. Now, you've heard me say this before, but I think a lot of people don't quite understand, especially people in the US, because there is a certain type of mentality. No disrespect, I love my American friends and family, but there is a certain mentality that Americans have, and that is that, the U.S. is a powerhouse in the world, absolutely. But what Trump is doing with these tariffs, now don't get me wrong, I'm just neutrally reporting the situation here, okay? I'm not taking a side. I love the fact that Trump is in office. I love it. I think it's going to be good in the long run. So let me get that out of the way now before someone says I'm hating on him, okay? Because I'm not. I'm laying out the situation as it is, okay? Trump is introducing tariffs on all of these countries at the same time. Canada, Mexico, Europe, Japan, China, okay? Which Sounds good in theory. Yeah, let's do that because all these countries are taking advantage of the United States and stuff, right? The problem is that the American taxpayer is the one that's going to take it, right? Take it hard because he's doing this. So each country has this one tariff coming at them from the US. The problem is that the US has tariffs coming back at them. Now, could the US withstand a tariff, a counter 25% tariff from Canada? Yeah, it would suck, but yeah, right? Can the US taxpayer withstand a 25% tariff from Canada, a 25% tariff from Mexico, a 25% tariff from Europe, a 25% tariff from China, a 25% tariff from Japan, and who knows how many more? No, you guys are taking the blunt of all of that as taxpayers because the prices, tariffs are essentially taxes, right? And those taxes are going to get passed down to you as a retail purchaser, right? So the US is not just taking on one counter tariff. The US is being bombarded with tariffs from 5, potentially 6 other countries all at the same time. That adds up to one massive blow, right? That is causing uncertainty when it comes to CEOs of companies, board of directors, all that kind of stuff, big money. That is why money is leaving not just the crypto market, all markets, because they have no idea what's about to happen. There's too much uncertainty. And when I say that, while Trump has these tariffs in place, there is no end game. There's no, we're going to have these tariffs in place until X happens, until fill in the blank happens, right? There's none of that. No one knows how long he plans on having these tariffs. Are they temporary? Are they long-term? Are they short-term? No one has any idea. What's the plan here? Nobody knows, right? That's where the uncertainty comes in, guys. That's why there's money that's exiting the crypto space. It's exiting the stock market. It's exiting everything right now. Liquidity is drying up everywhere, not just in crypto, because of the uncertainty with these tariffs. They need to come to a close, and they need to come to a close fast before the American retailer starts to feel that tax pinch. And it's going to be more than a pinch. It's going to be more like a punch in the face from Mike Tyson, okay? When you're getting tariffed by so many countries at the same time, again, could the US withstand a tariff from one of these countries? Of course, yeah. It would suck, but yeah. All of them at the same time? That is a lot of increases in taxes across your entire economy, guys. That's not going to sit well with the American taxpayer, who's already been suffering for more than 4 years, right? That's what's going on, guys. That's what people in the charts who are looking at the charts are not telling you because they don't even understand, right? This is just one of many factors that's causing a lot of uncertainty in the markets right now. And until we get certainty coming back into the markets, till we know what the plan is here, like Trump needs to come out and say something about how he plans on fixing the markets, because you got to know that the people around him right now are telling him, dude, you are crashing all of the markets, dude, all of them with what you're doing. He's very well aware, not just about the crypto market, the stock market, everything. He must have some sort of a plan in place to recover, right? Do we know what it is? No, but we need to find out soon, right? So in saying that, everything I just put out there for you guys, I don't want to hear the Trump hater comments in the comment section and stuff like that, guys. This was not a political, in a sense that where I stand politically. This is the economic situation as it stands right now. And a lot of people don't understand that. It sounds good when you hear Trump say, I'm throwing out another tariff over here, and I'm throwing another one over there, and I'm throwing one, and you're like, yeah, tax these people. But you're not realizing that all of these people are taxing you back, right? All of them. You're not just taking one hit, you're taking 5, right? to the one that the other countries are taking. So that's not sustainable. to the American taxpayer, okay? So I just wanted to explain that so that people kind of understood it. Going back at the rest of the charts here, guys, Jasmy just kind of going sideways. Altcoins are still holding pretty strong compared to Bitcoin right now. Going over to XCN, same thing. Just going sideways, 1 cent 4.2. Good. Got the hiccups here. Good DCA opportunities across the board, guys. In my opinion, right? We could have had better daily closes, but listen, we could have had much worse daily closes as well, right? ZBEC continues to put in higher lows. That's good, right? Continuing to put in these higher lows. You love to see that. So sitting at 20161 right now on ZBEC, not too bad. So nothing has really changed on the charts for the most part here since this morning. I mean, everything's up from where it was yesterday for the most part from the crash. We had this dip all the way down here and then back up on SwiftCoin. But what's important is that, you know, Jasmy and SwiftCoin and Onyx Coin, they're all still in bullish structures. Their bullish structures have not been invalidated. That's important to take into consideration in all of this, right? There's a lot of positive to be seen right now, guys. From Jasmy Society, congrats to Jangshin's team in completing over 1 million blocks on their testnet. Great progress. Hopefully everything is going well and the mainnet will be up and running in no time. I'm anticipating the mainnet being launched sometime around the end of March, the end of next month. That is their end of year for Japan, guys. I'm expecting big things coming out of Jangshin and Jasmy announcement-wise from the end of their year, so the end of next month. Just like last year, we had a whole bunch of stuff. We got the 2025 roadmap coming out at the end of March. A lot of good things, guys. A lot of good things. Hara should be making the announcement soon about the roadmap, but he's in East Denver right now. Only 3 more days until the Goliath mainnet launches as well, guys. We're getting 2 mainnets on 2 of our favorite projects launched in the same month, guys. XCN launching their mainnet, Jangshin launching their mainnet. So very, very bullish there. And yeah, that about wraps things up, guys. Listen, we have 10 gems over on the Patreon right now that we are scooping up on mass right now, guys. Now is the time to be getting in early on these gems while the prices are at rock bottom prices, guys. Get in there, get in early on these gems. You want to see things pump thousands of percentages like Onyx Coin did, like XCN, like XCN, like ZBEC, like Jasmy, like Swift. Get in early on these plays, guys. Get over to the Patreon. If I offered you all of these gems plus the ability to join our live calls every single night, you could book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally for no extra, for free, and you could join our Patreon only Discord as well, and you'd have access to the wealth of knowledge that our over 1,900 people in our community provide. Guys, this community has exploded lately. It's been absolutely crazy. It's hilarious to me. I see fear and FUD over on X and on YouTube, and then I jump over to the Patreon, and all I see is euphoria and cheeriness and happiness, and everyone's scooping up gems and having a great time. We're making swing trades over there where we're making money. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain by checking it out, guys, all simply for the price of a Happy Meal. Check it out, guys. The link is down below in the description. Join the community, guys. I promise you 2 things. 1, you are going to learn something that's going to help you be a better trader and a better investor in this space. And 2, once you become a part of our community, you find the wealth of knowledge and experience that you have now the ability to tap into. You join our live streams, you join everything we have to offer, you book your one-on-ones. You're not going to want to leave. So check it out, guys. The link is down below. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. Also, guys, really quick, get yourself a decent self-custody wallet. The link is also down below for that. Channel sponsor, shout out to them, guys. Not your keys, not your crypto. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys later.